How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. I also got to put in the disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. So today we're going to be talking about Senseonics. I brought it to your attention. You guys know how much I love this play, and I do believe in the long-term prospects of this company, and I feel like they're going places. But before we go even further, let's go over the agenda. If you're new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below in the description. But if you are a shareholder or you are considering to take a position, I suggest you watch the full entire video. So the first thing we're going to be going over is a technical analysis. We definitely saw a lot of price strength from Senseonics today. It has been due for a run-up, and that's exactly what we saw. And of course, you can see from the smile on my face, hey, it was something that was good to see. But one thing I want to make sure of the fact, we want to see if it's going to continue to be bullish or is it going to be bearish. And if it does decide to pull back, some areas that you want to look out for. This is very key because on this channel, we do not FOMO into plays. Then secondly, we're going to be going over the short interest information. We want to know what is the overall market sentiment. Is it positive or is it negative? Are there a lot of short sellers in this stock? Well, we're about to find out. And then when all of that is done, I'll be giving you guys my final thoughts. So let's get into it. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for Senseonics. Let's see how it performed on the day. So it ended up closing at $3.43, being up 15.10% on the day. On the low, it tested $2.85, and then on the high, testing $3.45. So when we take a look at this chart, just for your information, we're using the 1-year daily chart. We are well above the 200-day. We're also above the 21-day EMA, and of course, we are showing some strength above the 100-day as well. And as you can see from this green candle here, Senseonics doesn't look like it's going to be slowing down anytime soon. So let's just take a look at the RSI down below very quickly here. It is definitely in the overbought territory. So if you're just getting into a position right now, just know you're buying at the top, which is something that we do not recommend on this channel. Okay. So one of the things I'm going to be looking forward to from Senseonics is being able to get past this 350 level. I feel like if it can get past 350, then I could definitely look forward to seeing that move getting into the 370s and essentially getting to 4. If it does decide to pull back, I want to see this $3 level actually act as an area of support. It has been able to do this in the past, but hey, that is something I'd want to see. But if this area does decide to end up breaking, we saw that break today when it got down to 285, then I want to see that area actually hold up. And if it doesn't hold up, I'd want to see some strength here right above the 100-day at $2.66. And these will also be an opportunity where I would think about adding, but of course it would all depend on what the price action is looking like, because as you guys can see, it definitely has a gap to fill right over here, so it can definitely get to as low as around right here, the 21-day EMA at $2.31. So we want to make sure we're prepared and we take advantage of stocks when they're at a discount. So that's to kind of keep you guys updated. Look forward to seeing how the week looks for SENS, and that's about it. So we're now on Fintel. We're going to be taking a look at the short interest information for Senseonics. So you can see here the short volume ratio is at 32%. So this is well above the 21% we normally look for a stock that has short squeeze potential. What does this look like? So that means out of 60.9 million shares that were traded, just under 20 million of these shares were actually sold short. Wow. Now, if we take a look at the short shares availability, it is at 600,000, updated 16 minutes ago. We take a look at the short ball free rate, it is at 9.08%. Taking a look at the history of the short volume ratio, Senseonics, of course, is no stranger being above 21%. We also have seen a low here on June the 3rd where it was at 5.26. So we had a lot of shorts that were actually covering their positions. But as you can see, they are definitely ramping ramping back up. But we do see a decrease from the, as you can see here, from June the 4th, it was at 35.23, and then we see it down to 32. So seeing how Senseonics has been moving in regards to price, and also the update that we got from their promise study, is going to make for a very interesting week. And it's part of the reasons why I can still look forward to a bullish movement in this stock, especially since the short volume ratio is fairly high. So for my final thoughts for Senseonics, when we took a look at the short interest information, the short volume ratio did go down from the previous day. And this is something that is good to see, because what this tells us, this means that some shorts are covering their positions. But for the most part, it is still fairly high, being above 30%. And we know stocks that we tend to look for to have short squeeze potential are above 21%. So what am I looking forward to? I'm looking forward to see some more moves to the upside from Senseonics. When we went over the technical analysis, well, the way how things were looking, it definitely was looking like that. But again, I do not want you guys chasing into these plays. Look out for those areas of support. Look where it will pull back to, and then decide whether you want to get into this play or not. I, for myself, I'm in this play because I actually do believe in the long-term prospects, but also on top, I am going to be taking some profits along the way, because this is a penny stock that comes with a lot of volatility. In my previous video that I did on Senseonics, I was talking about the results that they had in their promise study, which was really good. It showed a lot of accuracy, and it was good on the safety end. And if we take a look at their competitors, they definitely have something very special here with their CGM devices. So taking all of this into consideration, if you guys are in this play, or you were in this play and you're up quite a bit, I put up a post on my YouTube, then please consider about taking profits, because like I said, it does have a high short volume ratio, so it's going to be coming with a lot of volatility. Am I saying that it's going to pull back all the way to $2 before it jumps up going into that $4 to $5 range, what we're looking for? No, of course I can't predict what's going to be happening, but from what I'm seeing right now, I feel like there's still more room for upside with this current run that we're on. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and we'll be talking real soon.